guys, welcome to another video. So I saw this set of nails when I was scrolling through Pinterest not long ago, and I just thought they are so smart. How on earth has she done that? There's no video or anything, so I wanted to have a go at seeing if I can get a similar sort of effect. So I pulled out these 4 stiletto tips. We're going to be working on tips today. Now I can't say I'm overly keen on the nails, but I just think the effect what she's got is so smart. They look like they're glowing. So yeah, they're not really my kind of design, but I just want to see how she did it. I'm curious. So I'm going to start off by giving all 4 nails a coat of Varnail's Meringue Rosette, which is like a jelly nude. I'm really liking these jelly nudes at the minute. I really like that, the effect that they give. I will do 2 coats of this, guys, so I'll just show you me doing the first coat on a couple of nails, and then I shall come back in when we're going to do the next step. So now I'm using Varnail's base coat. I actually shouldn't have needed to do a coat of base coat, to be honest, guys. What I should have done was, when I did that second layer of jelly gel, I shouldn't have cured that, and I should have stuck the glitter into the uncured jelly gel, but it doesn't really matter. It just means there's going to be an extra layer, that's all. And there is quite a few layers to these already, so yeah, could have really done with sticking them into the jelly gel. So again, I'm just going to show you me doing a couple of the nails. So I've pulled out this chameleon glitter from the Colours World on AliExpress. Beautiful glitter collection this is, guys. I shall leave the link for this collection in my description box if anyone wants to go over and check it out. It's a really, really nice collection. Some well smart colours in there. And I've pulled out an old brush and I'm just going to stick glitter into that uncured base coat. I'm going to do the same on this middle nail, but I want the diagonal to be going the opposite way. Then I'm going to pop them in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds, and that's going to hold that glitter all in place. So now I need to do a nice thick layer of top coat because I need this to be nice and smooth, I think. And then I'm going to flip that upside down and then pop it in the lamp to cure. Right, so that top coat's all cured now. Look at that glitter, guys. Stunning. Really, really beautiful glitter. But can you see it's not smooth? It's all lumpy bumpy. So I want to get that all nice and smooth. So I'm just taking out my buffer and I'm just going to buff over that top coat until it's all nice and smooth. So I think if I don't smooth that out before I put the angel paper on, I don't think it's going to give it the same effect. So I'm just going to do that on the other 3 nails. and then we'll get the angel paper applied. Right, so that's so much better. Look how nice and smooth that is now. Hee. So now I'm just going to put some of the Varnail base coat down again. Just going to put a tiny bit on the tip for now. Like that. Then I've got some angel paper. It's like a tinsel and it come in the Varnail May mystery box. And I've just cut little shards up into little pieces and I'm just going to stick them on the nail into that base coat. And I'm using my little LED stamper torch there, and that's just going to hold it all down. And then once I've applied all of them, I will stick it in the lamp for a full 60-second cure. Right, so that is that one done. So yeah, it is a little bit of a tedious job and I'm hoping it's going to work, because that was a little bit frustrating to do. So I'll probably just show you me laying a couple more on this nail and then we'll get on to the next step. I don't want to bore you guys. So again, just a little bit on the tip like that to start with. So now I'm just going to give them another coat of top coat and a buff to make that all nice and smooth again, and then we'll get a matte top coated. Alright guys, these are now all ready for some crystals. So I'm going to be using the Full Beauty Gem Glue. Just going to pop a little bit there. So this is a Blonde Shimmer AB crystal. It matched so well with this set. An AB there. Same on the middle. And then on the ring finger, I'm going to do a cuticle cuff. So there we are guys, that is them all finished. What do you think? I think once I get these in the right lighting, they're going to be well smart. Can you see they're kind of glowing there already? Now these nails are all about lighting. You need to get that lighting perfect to get that glowing effect. So what I'll do is guys, when I come to edit this video, I shall add some pictures on the screen now of them in the right lighting. If I manage to get the lighting right, that is, obviously. But that's what they look like in just my recording lighting. They still are kind of glowing, but it's still not quite the effect like the nails what I was recreating. Still not quite the same effect, is it? But nearly, it's close. So I think once I get my lighting right, I think they're going to look alright, you know. I like them. I really like them. So everything that I've used today, I'm going to leave listed in my description box below. I've also got a 25% off discount code for Varnail, guys, which is GG30. But I'll leave all that pinned in my comments, so if you want to go over there and place an order, don't forget to save yourself some money off. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.